If you're looking for a camera that goes where your phone wouldn't dare, a rugged action camera is the way to go. With Action Cam, you can easily share high-quality videos and photos of your adventures, diving, surfing, hiking, skydiving, skiing, skating, and more with your friends and the world. Action cameras are small, light, and sometimes even waterproof. They've almost replaced traditional camcorders in the market. Below, we've summarized the results of the top 5 best action cameras to help you make a decision. Let's dive in. If you're looking to stretch your dollars further while not compromising on quality and functionality, the Akaso Brave 7 LE is our top pick for a budget-friendly action camera. This gem packs a punch with its features, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize a front display and durability over the highest video resolution. During evaluations, its audio performance outshined many competitors, except for the GoPro models, especially in less noisy settings. Plus, navigating its touchscreen felt incredibly smooth and user-friendly. The Brave 7 LE steps up the game by offering dual-color displays, a nod to the Osmo Action, making it a dream for vloggers keen on perfect video framing. What truly caught us off guard was the generous bundle of accessories accompanying the camera. You get a waterproof case, remote control, numerous mounts including 7 general mounts, 2 specifically for batteries, 1 for charging, a bike handle mount, 2 for helmets, and a collection of bandages, ties, a USB cable, a lens cloth, and more. When it comes to video quality, the Brave 7 LE impresses with crisp visuals in both 4K and 2.7K resolutions. Its image stabilization feature ensures your videos remain steady and natural looking, avoiding any unwanted artificial effects. The built-in microphone also exceeds expectations, capturing clear sound. For photography enthusiasts, this camera doesn't disappoint, delivering high-quality photos whether you're capturing scenic views or adventurous moments. Featuring a front screen, being waterproof, and coming packed with an extensive array of mounts and accessories, the Akaso Brave 7 LE stands out as an all-around great choice. It hits the sweet spot for those who seek a reliable action camera without needing the absolute top-tier models. In short, it's a fantastic deal for everyday adventurers. Good stuff. Up next, we're diving into a standout of the 2024 underwater camera scene, the Olympus Tough TG6. It's a powerhouse in a compact form, more substantial than your average action cam, but packed with features that adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts will love. The TG6 bridges the gap between traditional cameras and action cams, offering durability and functionality in one robust package. This camera is ready for anything. It's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, meaning it can handle snow, sand, and water without breaking a sweat. The TG6 stands out with its impressive technical specs. It boasts a larger sensor for high-quality images, a 4x optical zoom for getting close to the action, and sensor shift stabilization to keep your shots ready. For those looking to capture fast-moving scenes, it can shoot at a rapid 20 frames per second. And for the detail-oriented, its microscope mode allows for extreme close-up photography, a feature you won't find on standard action cams. This camera doesn't just take stunning 12-megapixel photos, it also records in 4K, giving your videos a crisp, clear quality. With built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, sharing your adventures has never been easier. Whether you're shooting panoramic landscapes, immersive time lapses, or diving deep to explore underwater wonders with its 4 specialized modes, the TG6 has you covered up to 50 feet below the surface. For those who like to fine-tune their images, raw photo capture is available, offering extensive post-shoot editing possibilities. Additional features include a 3-inch LCD screen for easy navigation, Wi-Fi connectivity for quick sharing, GPS for location tagging, an e-compass, and even a temperature sensor. With its combination of ruggedness, advanced features, and ease of use, the Olympus Tough TG6 is a solid choice for anyone looking to capture their adventures without compromise. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Moving on, the Insta360 Ace Pro has emerged as a standout option for those keen on vlogging. This action camera breaks new ground by offering 8K video capabilities, setting a high bar for image resolution. While the 8K feature and the camera's ability to snap 48 megapixel photos might seem over the top for some users, not to mention its premium price tag, tag, those in search of a top-tier 8K recording will find the Ace Pro unmatched. The Ace Pro boasts a robust build, feeling substantial at 179.8 grams. This heft adds to its premium feel and durability. A unique feature that sets it apart from competitors like GoPro and DJI is its innovative flip-up display. This design allows for effortless selfie shots and vlogging, providing a user-friendly experience with its rotating screen. Image quality is where the Ace Pro truly shines, thanks to its collaboration with Leica on the sensor design. Testing across various resolutions revealed stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and effective low-light noise reduction courtesy of AI enhancements. The camera's active HDR mode adeptly handles high-contrast scenes, while flow state and horizon lock stabilization ensure smooth footage across all shooting scenarios. Video performance impresses across the board, delivering remarkable results under diverse lighting conditions. While low-light performance is commendable, there's still some room for improvement. Photo mode, however, excels in managing highlights more effectively than video mode. An intriguing feature of the Ace Pro is its motion control functionality. A simple palm gesture triggers video recording after a brief countdown, allowing for quick setup, while a peace sign prompts the camera to snap a photo, also following a short delay. Water resistant up to 10 meters, the Ace Pro caters to a broad range of outdoor activities, making it a versatile companion for adventure seekers. Quality stuff. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Securing the second spot as the runner-up best action camera of 2024 is the DJI Osmo Action 4. This camera strikes an impressive balance between high-quality features and affordability, making it a favorite among adventure enthusiasts. Its ability to record stabilized 4K footage is remarkable, and its resilience against harsh conditions, from rough handling to extreme temperatures and water depths of up to 16 meters without needing a protective case, sets it apart. What really makes the Osmo Action 4 shine, though, is its superior low-light performance, thanks to a larger image sensor than its competitors. The DJI Osmo Action 4 steps up from its predecessor with enhanced horizon leveling and image stabilization capabilities. While it caps video resolution at 4K, a sweet spot for action recording that matches the display capabilities of most modern TVs, its high frame rate options, including 120 FPS at 4K and 240 FPS at 1080p, are particularly valuable for capturing smooth, slow-motion footage. The camera's 1 and 1.3-inch image sensor is a game-changer, featuring pixels equivalent to 2.4 UM, marking a significant upgrade in generational technology. This improvement makes the Osmo Action 4 a powerhouse in the action camera domain. Users have the flexibility to shoot in both horizontal and vertical orientations, catering to diverse filming needs. DJI's Horizon Steady feature ensures that the horizon remains level, even though a full 360-degree rotation or switches orientation after a 45-degree tilt. With Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and other customizable settings, the camera adapts to various shooting conditions. The ability to record in 10-bit D-Log-M color profile means access to a vast spectrum of colors for post-production editing, enhancing creative freedom. The battery life is commendable too, offering up to 2.5 hours of recording time along with quick recharging capabilities. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend. Introducing the champion of the 2024 Action Camera Showdown, the GoPro Hero 12 Black, clinching the gold medal as the top-performing action camera of the year. This model distinguishes itself with top-tier image clarity, robust stabilization features, and user-friendly operations suitable even for novices. Boasting the capability to record video at a stunning 5.7K resolution at 60 frames per second, the GoPro Hero 12 Black leverages a relatively large 1 and 1.9-inch CMOS sensor for its category. It's the richness of 10-bit color depth combined with high bitrate recording and the ability to capture high dynamic range footage that propels its image quality to the pinnacle of action camera technology. The enhanced sensor size offers versatility in shooting and cropping footage without without sacrificing detail, while its superior image stabilization effortlessly smooths out the shakes and jitters common in high-motion activities. A notable feature is the front-facing full-color screen, which simplifies the process of framing selfie videos compared to its competitors. Additionally, the Hero 12 Black introduces a variety of special shooting models, making it simpler for newcomers to produce visually captivating content right from the start. For the first time, GoPro integrates a standard 0.25-inch tripod mount alongside its traditional flip-up mounting fingers on the Hero 12 Black, offering compatibility with a broader range of mounts and tripods. The device's interface is intuitively designed for ease of navigation. While action cameras are not known for their longevity on a single charge, the Hero 12 Black shows a noticeable improvement, lasting approximately 15% longer than its predecessor, the Hero 11 Black. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.